Hello, good morning. It's presentation Technology Valuation in Negotiation. Student joiner Omar Carvajal, teacher Juan Carlos Amezquita. Open and Distance National University, UNAD, mayo 2022. The problem de negociation biotechnological products. Problem negotiates biotechnological products. Problem related to the protection of intellectual properties. Maybe another company based in another product will get there and have as much expense, money, and time as the company that if they had the investigative every time. The problem relative to value technologies. Sometimes in the can be licensed only in parts. They must in the complete and sometimes very good. The VPN may not the positive of predict. Problem relative to negotiation. The process is carried out in the confronting agreement, involving the other party is seen as viral that must be defeated. Technological transfer. Advance. Obtained in confront implementation, valuation of technologies to uses in the organization or that have already been explored in a market or sector. Taking advantage of the work previous carried out by the supplier and the knowledge and experience acquired. Reduction in technology development time to accelerate the innovation process and launch of new products and the market savings in the investment in the technologies already developed by third parties, technological duplication and possibility of skin legal protection. This advances possibility of the recipient becoming a future competitor as user or provider of the technology by generating their own knowledge and experience over time. Need to continue investing in the development or maintenance of the technology to provide technical assistance or support the recipient after to transfer process. Recommendation. It was recommended to read the agreement will and know all the terms and conditions so as not to carry out surprise or misunderstanding. Warranting Town specialists studying search on market that the technology will ready a good investment and will not generate loss in the future. Have a completely neutral advisor and to the negotiation in countries which is no benefit of the parties agreed to for the license. Bibliography García Delgado, McManus, European Union. Thank you.